So, Samsung may have played it safe with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but if these new leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could finally be the major upgrade Samsung fans have been waiting for. And honestly, there's one rumored change that sounds almost unbelievable for a Samsung flagship. Let's get right into it. According to a new leak from tipster Debbie and Roy, Samsung is preparing several major upgrades for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Starting with the display, the phone is expected to keep the same 6.9-inch LTPO OLED size, but Samsung could upgrade from the M14 panel found on the S26 Ultra to a newer M16 panel, which should bring improvements in overall display quality. Under the hood, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset, built on a 2nm process, replacing the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside the S26 Ultra. The leak also claims Samsung will finally move to LPDDR6 RAM, replacing LPDDR5X. Combined with the new 2nm chip, this should deliver better performance while also improving power efficiency. Now let's talk about the biggest leak. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is reportedly getting a battery larger than 6,000 mAh, and if that actually happens, it would be one of the biggest upgrades Samsung has made to the Ultra series in years. For those who don't know, Samsung has used the same 5,000 mAh battery in every Ultra model since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. That's 7 generations with no battery capacity increase. Yes, Samsung has improved battery life through software optimization and more efficient chipsets, but many competitors have already moved to much larger silicon carbon batteries, making this rumored upgrade especially significant. The leak also mentions support for Q2 charging, something that was heavily rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra but never actually arrived. Camera specifications appear mostly familiar. The phone is expected to feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Other reported specs include an aluminum frame, USB 3.2 connectivity, and IP68 water and dust resistance. But that's not all. A separate report from Korean publication CISA Journal E claims Samsung is actively exploring advanced cooling solutions for the Galaxy S27 series. The company is reportedly considering a liquid cooling system, something rarely seen in smartphones today. Interestingly, Samsung previously used liquid cooling technology in the Galaxy Note 9 back in 2018. The report says Samsung is evaluating methods that could connect directly to the application processor to improve heat dissipation and maximize performance. During a seminar in Korea, Samsung senior researcher Park Min reportedly stated that the company is focusing on liquid cooling because fan-based cooling systems come with noise issues and other limitations. He also reportedly mentioned that Apple has already started filing patents related to active cooling systems, and Samsung wants to remain competitive in thermal management. According to Park, commercialization may not be far away. So if these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could bring a better display, a next-generation 2nm processor, LPDDR6 RAM, Q2 charging, a much larger battery, and potentially one of Samsung's most ambitious cooling upgrades in years. Of course, these are still early leaks and rumors, so take everything with a healthy dose of skepticism. But if Samsung delivers even most of what's being reported here, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could end up being a much bigger upgrade than the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Which rumored feature excites you the most? The larger battery, the 2nm chip, or the liquid cooling system? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.